What's good, YouTube? I'm back. And you know, when I come back, I always gotta come back with something fire. You feel me? Like, I know when I come back, I gotta come back with something fire. So you already know what we got. We got MASKDOWNMAR. MASKDOWNMAR, the 610 rapper. You feel me? This is a 610 rapper. Y'all seen him before. Y'all like him. People keep commenting down below. I'm liking it. Y'all using the comment section. Y'all keep doing that. Keep blowing it up. You feel me? But y'all told me that y'all wanted to see MASKDOWNMAR. So this is what I got for y'all. You feel me? MASKDOWNMAR is what I got for y'all today. And yeah, we about to get into the joint. I heard this about to be I heard this joint tough, bro. I'm seeing on the socials everybody bopping to it. You feel me? So like, we about to get right to it. We not about to waste no time. It's that MASKDOWNMAR, no talking.
Yeah, in the chat when we getting busy. Big Blake walk down with it on me. We get back. NASCAR, you already know we coming. You hear me? Long the 19 free take. I don't do the talking, like the slide and get it poppin'. No performance at your party, nah. If I can't bring my Glock in, bustin' Glocks, bustin' dots, getting back all on the cops. When I'm sleep, the pack be squishin', cause no, I can't trust the pouch. And my brody told me, chill off youngin', he ain't really bout that life. He got booked before I cooked him, he was skitty with the pipe, keeping up his man Ollie, all black every night. Brody dumped that Draco pretty well, no, he don't gotta fight. Way before them pistols and them Johnnies, I was riding bikes. I had my first poppy, Willow Beam, and we ain't run this light. Brody picked me up, we cleared the scene, and we ran every light. Like 2 weeks ago, was on my Brody, popping every night. Who would thought she really sliding? No, we don't got question, Brody. Dancing around with that Drake. Zemo showed me how to hold him. W said get to the page, said I got you.
Bro, this song hard, bro. Bro, I listened to this joint for a straight minute, bro. This song fire. I'm not about to lie to you, bro. Bro, first of all, they ain't a local, you know what I'm saying? They turned in a gas station.
Yeah, in the chat when we getting busy. Big Blake walk down with it on me.
Causing havoc at the gas station. Niggas funny as shit.
Yeah, we get back. NASCAR, you already know we coming here.
You feel me? They all mobbing it. They all like they all deep, whatever. You feel me? They deep with it. Like that's what makes the music videos way better, bro. You got people behind you really bopping with you. You feel me?
Hear me? Long the 19 free take. I don't do the talking, like the slide and get it poppin'. Nope.
That part right there got me too. I don't do the slide, get it poppin'. Everybody saying poppin', like.
Performance at your party, nah. If I can't bring my Glock in, bustin' Glocks, bustin' dots, getting back all on the cops. When I'm sleep, the pack be squishin', cause no, I can't trust the pouch. And my brody told me, chill off youngin', he ain't really bout that life. He got booked before I cooked him, he was skitty with the pipe, keeping up his man Ollie, all black every night. Brody dumped that Draco pretty well, no, he don't gotta fight. Way before them pistols and them Johnnies, I was riding bikes. I had my first poppy, Willow Beam, and we ain't run this light. Brody picked me up, we cleared the scene, and we ran every light. Like 2 weeks ago, was on my Brody, who would thought she really slide? No, you got a question, Brody. Dancing around with that Drake. Zemo showed me how to hold him. W said get to the page, said I got you, and I shoot it. Throw a bullets like he feel, he shoot like he keep talking like
bro, like they deep in a gas station, paging, doing whatever they want. Come on, y'all don't see this nowhere else. I don't be seeing nothing like this nowhere else, man. It's different. It's real different, bro. Real different. Local gas station, you feel me? Local.
He want a deal, dire, just keep going. All this shiny shit, it look like steel, but the glizzy golden. Yeah, I parked the car right at the crib. G-Mom said it's stolen, and the Honda pushing 150. Turned it to a roll, turned around, was trying to fuck. She was trying to eat the dick. Bro be looking high as fuck. Chinese playing with them sticks. Call it hockey, cause it's icy, and we mobbing with them sticks. I ain't in the crib, I'm around, I'm looking for rest.
Whoa. Hold up, though.
And the Honda pushing 150. Turned it to a roll.
They on somebody block. Yo, this is crazy.
Right at the crib, T-Mom said it's stolen, and the Honda pushing 150, turned into a roll, turned around, was trying to fuck, she was trying to eat the dick, bro be looking high as fuck, Chinese playing with them sticks, call it hockey, cause it's icy, and we mobbing with them sticks, I ain't in the crib, I'm around, I'm looking for rest.
Bro, like,
I guess your man had to pee, he got hit these
bro,
I'm around, I'm looking for
bro. It's gonna get bad for him when they find him though. I'm already knowing.
He got hit these bullets 80. Bro got hit up 12 times. He still swimming like the Navy. 16 doing fair time. And his mom making me a baby. I don't think she know my bro is treating grown men like we catch a body. Tap me fuckers. He don't really blow. Smoking on the eyes. Stay on they block. Y'all niggas fucking know. Whole town on my dick. They see I'm that. I just ain't had no hoe. Whole gang getting back. We been got back. But we all want them gone. Draco sound like popping blimps. I sound like we clapping hands. I'm exposing rap niggas and how they ran on their man, and we really that nigga. Whole gang got an upper hand. I ain't hanging rap nigga, kicking vandals on the bend. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Niggas and how they ran on their man, and we really that nigga. Yeah, treating grown men like we catch a body, tap the fuckers. He don't really blow. Smoking on the eyes, stay on they block. Y'all niggas fucking know. Whole town on my dick, they see I'm that. I just ain't had no hoe. Whole gang getting back, we been got back, but we all want them gone. Draco sound like popping blips. I sound like we clapping hands. I'm exposing rap niggas and how they ran on their man, and we really that nigga. Whole gang got an upper hand. I ain't hanging rap nigga, kicking vandals on the bend. Yeah, I don't do the talking, like the sliding, get it cracking, grab it cat, grab it cleavy on that block and yeah, run up on me, come get hit, but I'm pushing it, back at TVP, big boys, yeah we spinning for what happened.
Yo, hold on, this is a little
on the bed, yeah. I don't do the talking, like the sliding,
get it cracking,
grab it cleavy on that block and yeah, run up on me, come get hit, but I'm pushing it, back at TVP, big boys, yeah we spinning for what happened.
Bro, man, oh. Mar, you already know what it is, bro. Keep doing your thing, bro. Keep doing your thing. This joint was fire. This joint was fire. I need more though. I need more. And I need all y'all other artists in 610, bro. As soon as y'all drop, I gotta tag me. I gotta tag me, dog. Put all that to the side, man. Gotta tag me so I can react to it, bro. This all, you know what I'm saying? We all trying to grind and shit, you feel me? So come on, y'all gotta tag me. Stop being weird. But yeah. It's that MASKDOWNMAR though. MASKDOWNMAR, doing your thing, bro. Keep doing your thing. I'm banging with this joint. This joint tough, bro. Like, come on, bro. This joint hard. But yo, I'm gonna catch you on the next banger though.